Hello, everyone. Imagine waking up 5 years from now. Your digital habits are perfectly balanced, and your screen time is intentional. You start your day with a peaceful morning routine, free from the distractions of notifications. You engage in meaningful face-to-face interactions and enjoy nature. Your evenings are calm and relaxing, with time for reflection and personal growth. Today, we'll discuss how to create a comprehensive digital wellness plan that supports your overall well-being and productivity and will help you achieve this dream life. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand the components of a long-term digital wellness plan, identify strategies to maintain healthy digital habits over time, implement a personalized digital wellness plan. Let's start by understanding the essential components of a long-term digital wellness plan. Components of a long-term digital wellness plan. Establishing boundaries. Create clear boundaries for digital device use. This helps prevent overuse and promotes balance. Story, the evening routine. John established a boundary of no screen time after 8 p.m. This allowed him to unwind and prepare for a better night's sleep. Incorporating breaks. Regular breaks from screen time are necessary. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique to ensure you take short, frequent breaks. Analogy, the digital refresh. Think of breaks as a refresh button for your brain, helping you stay focused and energized throughout the day. Engaging in alternative activities. Identify and engage in activities that don't involve screens, such as physical exercise, reading, knitting, or socializing with friends and family. Example, the weekend adventurer. Emma dedicated her weekends to outdoor activities like hiking and biking. This not only reduced her screen time, but also improved her physical health. Strategies to maintain healthy digital habits over time. Regular reflection and adjustment. Periodically review your digital habits and make necessary adjustments. Reflect on what's working and what needs improvement. Example, the monthly review. Sarah set a monthly reminder to reflect on her digital habits. This regular review helped her stay on track and make continuous improvements. Staying flexible. Be open to adjusting your strategies as your needs and circumstances change. Flexibility is key to maintaining long-term habits. Story, the adaptable plan. John found that his initial plan of no screen time after 8 p.m. wasn't always feasible. He adjusted his plan to allow some flexibility while still maintaining overall balance. Seeking support. Share your goals with family or a support group. Their encouragement and feedback can help you stay motivated and accountable. Analogy, the support system. Think of your support system as a safety net that catches you when you stumble, helping you stay on track with your digital wellness goals. Celebrating milestones. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Celebrating milestones keeps you motivated and reinforces positive behavior. Example, the celebration ritual. Emily treated herself to a favorite activity whenever she met her digital wellness goals. This practice kept her motivated and positive. Leveraging technology. Use technology to your advantage by utilizing apps and tools that help manage screen time and promote healthy habits. Story. Mike used screen time tracking apps to monitor his usage and set limits. These tools helped him stay mindful of his digital habits and make better choices. Assignment. Design a vision board for your long-term digital wellness plan. Use images, quotes, and symbols that represent your goals and strategies. Present your vision board to the class and explain your plan. For further reading, I recommend The Power of Habit: Why We Do What We Do in Life and Business by Charles Duhigg. Duhigg's exploration of habits and their formation is invaluable for establishing long-term digital wellness practices. Conclusion. In conclusion, creating a long-term digital wellness plan is essential for maintaining healthy digital habits and overall well-being. You can develop a sustainable plan that supports your digital wellness journey by setting clear goals, establishing boundaries, incorporating breaks, and seeking support. The key is to stay flexible, reflective, optimistic, and proactive in maintaining your digital health. Thank you for your attention and cooperation throughout the course.